This video is a mirror. It shows who you are. It shows your future self. It shows who you can be. You chose to watch. It was meant for you. Your inner voice knows. Time to take control. Who is in control? Your mind, or is it you? We give you the keys to inner peace. This video helps you. It helps you take control. Control the most powerful thing, the world's most powerful thing. This video is great. You learn English words. They will grow with you. They help you transform. Get ready to transform and improve your English. These tips are your first step to power. My first tip is this. You visualize your goals. The mind cannot tell, not between real and imagined. See it before you live. Close your eyes now. Imagine your life now. See yourself with confidence. You are achieving dreams. You are helping family. Can you see your business? Living in a dream house? Feel a deep emotion. Feel it in your body. Feel proud and successful. Your actions will change. Your mind starts to believe. It works for you. You visualize goals daily. Then you can hold them. Your brain starts believing. Your thoughts will also change. They will match the image. You will make dreams real. See yourself in your mind. You have energy and confidence. You are inspiring many people. If you see it, you hold it. If you want to be fluent, you just don't say it. Close your eyes to visualize. See yourself speaking clearly. This is the power. This is the art of seeing. This is how you train. You make thoughts into actions. My second tip is simple. Challenge your bad thoughts. They are not facts. They are just opinions. A thought comes to you. I am not good enough. Is that a fact? Or is it a lie? Your mind is a garden. It can grow flowers. Or it can grow weeds. You must choose. The weed is a bad thought. It grows in your mind. You must pull it out. Don't let it grow. Ask yourself questions. Is this thought true? Where is the proof? Is there a better way? You are a gardener. You decide what to plant. You decide what to remove. Your mind is in your hands. This is a good exercise. Do it every day. Your mind will get stronger. You will be in control. You can change your thoughts. You can change your mindset. Your garden will be beautiful. It will be full of flowers. Control your inner voice. It will set you free. You are the master of your mind. My third tip is this. Start your day with a plan. Don't just let the day happen. You have to own it. You have a big goal. Break it into tiny pieces, one small step at a time. Each piece is a small plan. Write your tasks in a list. Your mind will love it. It will feel much better. It will be less stressed. A day without a plan is a ship without a map. It will go nowhere. It will get lost at sea. Your plan is your map. It shows you the way. It leads you to your goal. It keeps you on track. You will have more time. You will not waste a minute. Your mind will be focused. You will be more productive. A good plan is simple. You don't need a big book, just a few clear points. Points that make you move. This is how you win. You win your day first, then you win your week. Then you win your life. This is how you master. You master your own day. You are the captain of your ship. My fourth tip is this. Set yourself up to win. Make the good choice easy. Make the bad choice hard. Don't rely on discipline. Your mind takes the easy path. You must prepare your mind. Prepare your environment first. Do you want to eat? Don't have bad food at home. The good choice is easy. Your mind will love it. Do you want to exercise? Prepare your clothes at night. Your mind has no excuses. The good choice is easy. Do you want to learn? Delete the distracting apps. Download a good one. The good choice is easy. This is not about being strong. This is about being smart. It is about preparation. Preparation is the key. The mind follows your lead. It follows the easy way. You lead your mind now. You decide your success. You are a winner. You chose to win. Your life will be better. You are the master. This is how you win. You prepare your own win. This is the art of success. The art of a good setup. My fifth tip is simple. Don't worry about things. Things you can't control. The past is one of them. You have no time machine. You can't go back in time. You can't change what happened. So, you must let it go. Don't worry about others. You can't control their thoughts. You can't control their actions. You must let them be. Your mind is a battery. Your energy is very limited. Don't waste it on worry. Save it for good things. Focus on what you can. You can control your thoughts. You can control your actions. This is where your power is. The weather is outside. You cannot change the rain. So you carry an umbrella. This is a small example. You must be the boss of your own mind. Your mind can be free from all worry. This is a good mindset, a mindset of a winner, a mindset of a master, a mind that is free. This is how you win. You choose what to focus on. You choose what to give power. You choose to be happy. My sixth tip is this. Get rid of bad habits. Bad habits are chains. They hold you down. Find your bad habit. Find what triggers it. Do you eat when stressed? That is a bad habit. Replace the old with new. When stressed, you walk. Replace the bad with good. Your mind will adapt. The mind loves a routine. It does not care if good. So give it a new one, a good routine for you. This is not an easy job. It takes discipline. But you can be the master of your habits. You want to stop smoking? Don't just try to stop. Replace it with something else. Maybe you chew gum. You want to learn English? You watch movies with subtitles. You speak with a friend. You listen to music. Your habits make your life. They make you who you are. So change your habits now and change your own life. You are the boss now, the boss of your own habits. You have the control. You have all the power. My seventh tip is this. Practice living in the moment. Don't live in the past. Don't live in the future. The past is already gone. The future is not here yet. The only real time is now. Now is where you have power. Mindfulness is a skill. You train your attention. You focus on one thing, just one thing at a time. Listen to your breath. Listen to your body. Feel your own feet. Feel the ground beneath you. Listen to your mind. Just observe the thoughts. Don't judge them as good. Don't judge them as bad. They are just passing clouds. You are the calm sky. The sky is always there. The clouds will pass by. This is an exercise. Do it for 5 minutes. Every single day, your mind will be more calm. You will have more peace. You will have more focus. You will be the master of your mind. This is how you win. You live in the present. You are fully here now. You have total control. My 8th tip is simple. Don't compare to others. This is a trap. It steals your own joy. Look at your own path. You have your own journey. Their success is their story. Your success is your story. You cannot win the race if you look behind you. Look only at your own path. Go forward with courage. Social media is a lie. People show their best parts. They don't show the struggle. You must remember this. Your life is your work. Your progress is your victory. Be proud of your own self. Be your own best friend. A flower does not compete. It just grows on its own. It becomes beautiful, and it brings joy to all. Focus on your own growth. This is your real power. You are a unique person. You have your own magic. You have a special light, a light only you have. Your mission is to shine. Shine in your own way. This is how you win. You are your own champion. You are the only you. You are a true master. My 9th tip is this. Practice gratitude daily. It changes your focus to what you have. You feel a good emotion. Your mind will love it. It makes you feel better. You see the good in life. You wake up in the morning. Think of 2 good things. A hot coffee, the sun in the sky. This is a good start. It sets your day right. Your mind will be happy. Your mind will be strong. Be grateful for small things. A friend's kind word. A good song on the radio. The food on your table. You are training your mind to see the positive side. You are building a habit of happiness. It is a simple secret. It is a powerful tool. You have the power now to be grateful for all. Your mind becomes positive. Your life will be great. You are the master of your mood. This is how you win. You win with a grateful heart. You attract more good things. You become a magnet for joy. My final tip is this. It is the most important. It is the final secret. The secret to true power. You must be consistent. You must do this every day. A little bit, but every day. This is the final secret. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do it all. Just be consistent with it. Your mind will learn to follow. Small steps every day. 1 small task a day. 1 tiny habit you change. 1 small thought you challenge. You have all the tools. These 10 tips are your keys. You have to use them now. You have to make them a habit. Consistency is a superpower. It creates a strong foundation. It makes you a winner. It makes you a true master. Start today with 1 thing. Choose 1 small tip and do it every single day. This is how you will win. Your mind will be strong. Your life will be great. You will be the master of your own destiny. What is your favorite tip? Which lesson helps you most? How will you use these tips? Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you like this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English tips. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Be brave. Speak truth. Keep going.